Hi, I want to tell you 3 reasons that I like to use tires for building walls. I'm Angel, by the way. I'm trying to take this glove off. I just had an Airbnb guest of mine ask me about the tires, so it inspired me to tell you a little bit more about the reasons why I think tires can be a good idea to build with. Number one, they are piling up on every continent on Earth, and if your area has a recycling program, then by all means, leave it to that. In my experience, there are very few, if any, recycling programs going on. There were some for a while with some park equipment and stuff, but last I checked, they seem to be dwindling. And in any case, the concerns about off-gassing, that sort of thing happens early. Once you fill them with earth and plaster them, that's been shown to no longer be an issue. So they're abundantly available, reason number one. Reason number two, they're very low tech. They're very easy to build with. Anyone, if you can lift a tire or roll a tire, can build a wall with them, and that makes them very appealing for earthship type of buildings, off-grid buildings, stem walls. This is going to be a outdoor patio here that I'm building, and this is a nice wall for that. So yeah, they're very low tech, easy to use. Number 3 reason that I love to use them is that when you fill them with stone and earth, as I do, and pack them, they become a great like a battery for passive temperature control. They're thermal mass. Like, if you look into rammed earth or adobe buildings, or you're familiar with hogans or some of the older architecture, you will be familiar with how cool that is, and that's because of the thermal mass, which holds temperature. And in this case, I put some insulation on the back and back berm that, and that helps kick that temperature back into the living space if it's enclosed, or back toward the patio in this case. So there you have it. 3 reasons that I like to use tires. I should add a pinky finger asterisk that they are against the rules in a lot of places, so make sure and check with your local code and laws, or put on your invisibility cloak if you're going to be doing things with tires in this day and age. Nonetheless, I think that has changed and will probably continue to change, and they are still a very viable building material. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to hear more. Check out the description. You can find a link to my book called The Head Hutt on Amazon, about a papercrete structure that I built with tires and bottles and paper, oh my, all sorts of things. And until next time, stay free, take good care of you, because you're worth it.